Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to easily publish your Google AI Studio app to the Apple App Store. Let's dive right in. First, open Google AI Studio and start building your app. Add all the features you want and save your project to Google Drive to make sure it's safely stored. Once you're ready, click on the share option and copy the project link. You'll need this later, so keep it nearby. Now head over to appmyweb.net. Log in or sign up if it's your first time. Once you're in, click on create a new app. Give your app a name and paste the Google AI Studio link into the URL field. This will connect your project to AppMyWeb. Click continue and the platform will generate an iOS build for your app. After the build is done, download the app package. You might need a premium plan for this, but once you've got it, you're almost done. Next, head to App Store Connect and sign in with your Apple ID. If you haven't published before, you'll need to join the Apple Developer Program. Once you're logged in, click on My Apps, then Add New App. Fill in your app details, upload the IPA file, and hit Submit. Now just wait for Apple's review. Once it's approved, your app will be live on the App Store, and that's it. Thanks for watching.